Hi, I'm Carrie, and I'm gonna make what I call chicken curry noodles, which is really good because it's not like big stew of curry, which is hard to eat when it's 100 degrees outside. So you need coconut milk, chicken, spaghetti, bell peppers, random salad bits or broccoli if you like, and mushrooms or any other vegetables that you want. Alright, now that the chicken's all cut up, we can season it. For this dish, we need to do a little bit of curry powder, and then just salt and pepper, and then a little bit of that coconut milk. Just cook the pasta while you cut up the vegetables. Basically, you just chop up all the vegetables pretty finely and dice up the onion. Now we're gonna briefly cook the chicken. It's too cumbersome. Okay, chicken's cooked and I'm going to move them out of the way because I don't have a big enough pan to cook everything in. Ideally, I would just use like a giant wok, but I don't have a giant wok. If this were a wok, the chicken would still be here, but it is not a wok. It's too small to be a wok. So I'm just going to put the onions in here separately. So chicken's out and vegetables. Alright, I'm gonna test the pasta now. It's good prepared to drain. So off with the stove. Don't look into steam because that's hot too. Awesome. Alright. Immediately want to do cold water. Now I just added half of the coconut milk to the vegetable mixture, and we want to save the other half because coconut milk tastes really good fresh in all curry dishes. So you always want to add it last. But I want the vegetables to cook in it, so there it goes. And then we're going to add the curry powder. It smells like curry. Yes, that is a box salad that I just threw in here. It's good because like people don't eat vegetables and I sometimes. So, I mean, usually don't eat vegetables. But if it's mixed in with a bunch of other stuff, it tastes really good. Oh, you don't eat it. Alright, now I'm gonna thicken the sauce. So how we have our curry, which is nice and lovely and liquidy. And unlike the curry, which takes like several hours to boil and get nice and thick, which is like just a fancy way of like adding butter. So I'm gonna add Alright, now I'm just finishing up by mixing everything together. So all the spaghetti's already drained and I put it back in the pot. And then now I'm adding more coconut milk. Chicken.
until the traffic dies.
Yeah, that's a good idea.